Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are talking about the MAC and PatrickStarrr new collection Destination Diva. It comes in two packs. One is that I have today Betta Dont. Yep, I said it correctly. And the other one is Boy About Town. Let's get into the tutorial straight away and then I will give you swatches and my review on this collection. I'm getting the shade Sugar Stick as transition, and then the star of the show, that olive shade here, Dempsey Olive. Then I'm taking my finger and the shade Deception, just pop it a little bit in the middle. And then for my lower lash I'm taking this shade again. I had to use my highlighter on the inner corners and under the brow because there's no any highlight color. And now we're going with the liquid lipstick in Ultimate Diva. And this is the finished look. And now guys, on the collection. Destination Diva. Patrik was inspired by expensive luggage for this collection. For me, it's very autumn fall appropriate. And when I saw the clip with him, you know, walking down, you know, the red carpet and traveling and stuff, it had like a little bit of 20s, 30s vibe to me. The packaging looks like that, the box. And as I said, it comes in two collections. I have Betta Dont, and we have Boy About Town. In the collection, in the box, it comes an eyeshadow palette that looks like that and a retro matte lipstick. Also, you get a card and kind of like it shows you how to put your makeup on. Pack your bags and head into fall in first class. Glam away and check into this sweet collection. Now, the eyeshadow palette looks like that. It's made in Canada and you get 0.19 ounces, 5.6 grams of product. It's a quad. The only thing, it doesn't include a mirror. That's the only thing, comes with a protective plastic thing. And you get these for eyeshadows. Obviously, this is like totally up my alley. As you know, I really love those like greens and whatnot. Now I'm gonna swatch them for you. This color is Sugar Stick and described as a soft caramel, and it's like a velvet finish. This is Deception. It's a cool medium brown and it's a frost finish. And this one is Dempsey Olive and it's deep blackened olive and it's a velvet finish. And this one is First Class, a blackened brown and it's matte. They all perform pretty well. The first one, the transition color, it's a little bit on the sheer side, but it's not major. Also, this has a little bit of fallout. This, strangely enough, doesn't have as much fallout as I was expected to have. So, really beautiful colors. My only critique is I would like to see a mirror here, and obviously there's not a brow bone highlighter, but I can live without that because I have like several. Like today I use my highlighter, so no problems with that. It's very, very like fall, autumn appropriate. And now we have the retro matte liquid lipstick in Ultimate Diva, and that is that brown color that I'm wearing, obviously. And I'm gonna swatch it. That comes with a doe foot applicator. This is made in Italy, and let's see how much you get for this. You get 0.17 fluid ounces, 5.0 ml. I heard some people that they say that these are really drying on the lips. I haven't experienced something like that. They're not more drying or less drying than any traditional liquid lipstick. If you're a liquid lipstick wearer, you're gonna like that. If you don't like liquid lipsticks, obviously you're not gonna like that. But I didn't find it any more drying than, you know, the other liquid lipsticks I have. The liquid lipstick, it doesn't crumble. It applies pretty evenly for a dark color. It lasts like a long time, obviously, for a liquid lipstick. And let's see the scent. It has a slightly sweet scent, kind of like vanilla, kind of like MAC lipsticks, but not as overpowering. A little bit more toned down, if you will. So it's really comfortable. I like the liquid lipsticks and I like colors like that. On the collection, my thoughts. Firstly, I really love the packaging. Obviously, the packaging is really beautiful. I like that you get this card over here. You know, it just gives you an idea. And also, I know some people don't like it, but I do. I do like that they come in a pack. Because the thing is, like, a lot of people, they don't know how to combine like eyes with lips. So if it comes with a pack, you know that, you know, your lipstick is gonna go with your eye look, if you know what I mean. And if you're interested in any of these colors, I would say don't hesitate and get it. At this right moment, it's still available on the MAC website, the Australian side. I don't know for how long though. I'm really impressed. I never tried anything from Patrick's collaboration with MAC before. So it's the first time, and it's really, really nice. So Patrik, congratulations and well done. I really love the products. That's all, guys. These were my thoughts on the MAC and PatrickStarrr collaboration Destination Diva. I hope you like this video. You know, if you do, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. You know what to do, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah, bye.